Hi everyone, this is Mark Rep, and thanks for joining me for another tech tip today. I'm in Schoology, and today I'm going to show you how you can add different kinds of materials to your course. Now, under the Add Materials button, you'll see all different kinds of things that you can add, and you'll see that I have some examples right here in my course. We're on the home page of your course right now, which is called the Materials page. You can see Materials is highlighted over here at the left. When you click on the Add Materials drop-down button, you'll see all the different types of materials that you can add to a course. The first one we're going to look at is Import from Resources. When I click on Import from Resources, you'll see the Import from Resources dialog box. And by default, it goes to my Personal section, which is right here at the top under Resources. If I were to click Resources, the first thing I would see would be My Resources, and here are a couple of folders that I've created. But what I'd like you to do right now is to go to Apps. As you click on the Apps button, you will notice that there is an app right here already called Google Drive Resource App. Now, I've already logged into my account, and you can see that my Google Docs start coming up. But what if you haven't logged into your Google Drive yet? If you haven't, then this is what you'll see. I'm going to go to Add Materials, click on Import from Resources, and then click on Apps. Now, this is an account of a person who has not used the Google Drive Resource app yet and has not approved its use. So I'm going to click Approve, and then it brings up this little pink error message right here. Now, many of you will get this the first time that you try to open the Google Drive Resource app. So what we're going to do to fix this is to simply click the Options drop-down menu and clicking Account Settings. Now, Schoology wants you to log into your account, so we're going to click Connect. You'll choose your account and click on it. And then last but not least, you'll scroll down and you'll click on Allow. Now you are connected to your Google Drive from within Schoology. And you'll see all your documents. If I wanted to find something in particular from my drive, I could type in its name. Now, instead of clicking on any of these documents, we're just going to check its checkbox. Then you can click Import, and from the Import drop-down menu, you can choose Import File, Import Link, Import Private Link, or Import Embed if you want to embed it into your document. If you ever have trouble in the future authenticating to your Google Drive, just click on Options again and go back to Account Settings and log back into your account. Now I'm going to return to my course, and let's take a look at adding a page. If you click Add Materials and then choose the option to Add Page, I'll give the page a title. You'll notice that right here is the Insert Content drop-down button. If you click on the arrow, and if you follow it to the right, is the Google Drive Resource app once again. If I click on that, it brings me into my Google Drive, and if I click on the checkbox just to the left of the title of the document and go to either Import and click the Import drop-down menu, or if I go just to the right of the title of the document, I have many of the same links right here. Two additional options that you have if you click on the Gear drop-down, you can edit the document and you can delete the document as well. Now, if I come down and choose Import Embed, this will allow me to import this document right into my page. If I wanted to introduce this topic, I could type some help text right at the beginning, just above the embedded document. You can change the font size. You can add table cells if you want to. You can add a hyperlink to a website or an external resource, and there are all these other formatting tools right here as well. These are reasons why I like using a new page quite often within a course. Now, if I click the Create button, this page has been added to the bottom of my Schoology course, and if I click on it, it opens up the page with the embedded document. One thing I've noticed about embedded documents in Schoology is that sometimes they're a bit small. So if you click on this little gear in the top right corner, you can click Edit Page, Then click once on your embedded object, click on the little image icon, and you'll see the dimensions are 560 by 315. I'll add 100 to this total and go from 560 to 660. Press the Tab key to get to the next field. If this box is checked, it will automatically adjust it, and then just click Insert. Now the box is a bit bigger, and that should be just about right. So I'm going to click Save Changes, and there's your embedded document. Students can look at this, and basically this is going to be used as a resource. You can put all kinds of different objects inside of a new page. If I want to return to my course, all I have to do is follow the breadcrumb trail up here at the top and click on the name of the course. And if you don't like the order of the materials within your course, you can always just click, hold, and drag up or down and drop it right where you want it within the course. So it makes using different materials very easy. So that's a look at how you can use Google Drive and add resources directly to your Schoology course. We also took a look at how to add a page and the power that a new page provides in your course. Please join me again for another tech tip. I'm Mark Repp. Bye for now.